has Facebook India defined hate speech in the Indian context?
Respected Chair, hate speech falls into one of the categories in our community standards. We do have definitions around it. I'm happy to share. In fact, I'm carrying some of our safety documents here, which I can leave behind with you and also point you to the community standards. Hate speech definition is very much there. But as you understand, platforms like ours have to work on complex issues which have to balance both free speech and safety privacy safety at the same time. So it is very difficult to say that the definition is always going to be perfect. It is always ever evolving. For example, in India, when we started work and over the years, we realized, for example, caste could be a factor based on which hate speech could be put out. And it is basis the inputs from civil society organizations in India. We evolved the hate speech definition to include caste slurs in that as well. So my limited point is that while yes, there is a classification of hate speech which takes into account local factors, but our community standards are a global document to make sure that we are able to function that, make it function in every jurisdiction.
I'm sorry, I'm not able to it's a simple yes or no. Is there a specific definition of hate speech in the Indian context? It's a yes. I understand there are community standards. I also understand that, it could not be a static exercise. It keeps on evolving. All that is very well. But do you have a specific definition of hate speech for India?
The hate speech definition in the community standards is applicable to India as well.
So there is a specific definition.
Hate speech is a part of our community standards and those definitions apply to India.
No, there is, Mr. Thukral, what could be hate speech in the US may not be hate speech in India, right? It is in that context that I'm asking, is there a specific definition of hate speech for India?
We believe the hate speech definition that we have in the community standards is
for all jurisdictions?
Is ensuring that it takes care of the issues in India, sir. I'm happy to share it with you and then I'll leave it to the committee's judgment. But we believe the hate speech definition that we have.
Okay. From your answer, is my understanding correct that you have one comprehensive definition of hate speech that applies to all jurisdictions?
To the best of my understanding, the way our hate speech definitions work, it is used as a part of our community standards, and I think the concern that you're raising for a country like India, the hate speech definition in the community standards would cover that.
Honorable Supreme Court had also acknowledged that the capital of this country can ill afford any repetition of the occurrence of the unprecedented Delhi riots that took place in Feb 2020. Significantly, during the Delhi riots, many incendiary and communally sensitive posts from India have got amplified on Facebook. What measures have been taken or have been carried out by Facebook India, in order to take down such posts?
I would continue to exercise my right not to comment on that specific instance, but you raise a very important issue of what we do to remove problematic content. And let me, if you allow me a minute, let me go through 2 or 3 different ways. The first off, given that we have to solve this problem at scale, we rely on machine learning tools and algorithms, so which is where we feel that our enforcement or our action is actually leading to the drop in the prevalence of problematic content on our platform. 2, in terms of what we do to make sure that we have better skills and better ability to detect this content. It's an ongoing process. It's never a one-stop shop, and it is not perfect. Any issue which pertains to violation of law or real-world violence, we have a structured mechanism to work with law enforcement across the country, where we assist them based on valid legal orders to solve for issues or solve for serious crimes. So if you look at the any possible way which we could cover each of these problematic areas, we are putting a full throttle effort. Is it enough? Probably not. Should we do more? Absolutely yes. And is user safety our responsibility? Absolutely yes.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.